So in this video on Google Sites, I'm going to show more of how to insert actual things into your sites. So when you actually have content. So when you want to insert information, just go to the page you want. So right now I'm on the rainforest page, and then I go to insert. So I've already changed this background to a rainforest. That's in the first video. If you don't know how to do that, it's super simple. Just change image right here. So we can add lots of different things. I'm going to start with a text box. All you have to do is click it. And then you can change the type of font style. So I'll change this one to a heading. So about the rainforest, then I can also add URLs, images, and upload basically anything as well, anything from your Google Drive. So I'm going to add a URL. So I'm going to copy this URL and then add one in on here. So just go embed URL, paste it, and it'll load and show you what it's going to look like. And then insert. So anytime you have a URL, you can go up to the setting icon and you can decide if you want to show the image, the title, and the description. So right now all three are on mine. So I have the image, I have a title, and I have a short description of what it's about. Now I'll just load an image. So you can load images just like you would in Google Slides. So I can go by URL, I can search it, I can go to my albums or my Google Drive. So if I go to search in rainforest, and then it just selects and inserts it. You can change the size of your image by holding and dragging. You can make it smaller or bigger. You can also drag and move it. So this one I'm just going to put next to my URL. So then there's another picture as well. I can add a divider, and what a divider does is just puts a line between. So now there's a divider onto the next part. All the stuff from Google you can import into your Google site. So docs, slides, sheets, forms, charts, as well as YouTube videos, calendars, and maps. So to show you what a YouTube video looks like, we can just search it from here or upload it from when you already saved. So I'm just going to type in rainforest. And I'll just click on the first or the second one and select it for right now since they won't be using it anyways. So there is my YouTube video, and when we actually publish this, it will be able to play it, and you could even play it right now if you chose to. Map is another cool feature that you can add in to show your students like where you're talking about, the location of something. So I'm just going to search Amazon rainforest. And then once you find it, you just have to drop a place mark. So then it actually is here on your map. So then I'm going to minus a little bit so we can actually see where it is. In the world. That's probably too far. All right, so if I like it like that, then I push select. And then my map comes up with my place mark, so they actually see where it is you're talking about. So there's my map of my Amazon rainforest. So that's a little bit of what you can do with Google Sites and different things you can insert. You can go to preview up here at the top to always preview what it looks like, and make sure you always publish it anytime you change something. So you have to republish it anytime you change something. So I'm not going to actually publish mine because that's not a real site anyone will use. So that is Google Sites.